and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to automate fashion boutique orders on WhatsApp. For example, let's say you are running a fashion boutique and receiving multiple orders from your customers at the same time. Responding to each order manually can be time-consuming and quite confusing. So to solve this problem, we will automate the entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I'll send a message to my WhatsApp business account of boutique. Here I am sending my first message as order. You will see the bot instantly respond like this, that hi there, welcome to Stylora Boutique. Please choose an option to get started while providing me two quick options, that is shop now and contact us. Here I am going to click on the shop now option. Then it will respond to me like this, that awesome. Please select what you would like to explore today, providing me with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of dress categories, that is traditional wear and the western wear. Here I want to purchase something western, so I am selecting this. Then you can see that the bot will respond to me like this while providing me the types of dresses that are available on the category western wear, including their price and one button, that is order now. Here I want to purchase this dress, so I am simply clicking on this order now button, while again providing me with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of sizes that I am going to select as S. After that, it will ask me for my full name that I am going to share as test user. Next, it will ask me for my address, so I am sharing one test address. After that, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number also. Once that's done, you can see that I have received a customized confirmation message from my bot, which includes all the details that I have shared while communicating with my bot. That is the name I provide as test user, address that I have shared, dress category type that I have selected from the list as western wear, and the size also. So if you also want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your fashion boutique business that will handle all of your orders without you doing any manual effort, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue or you have any questions while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will go back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, there are two options, sign in and the sign up free. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can view your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description box for video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on Add Flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first, you need to name your flow to identify what you are creating. So here I am providing a name as Automate Fashion Boutique Orders on WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as order. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, boutique. Here I added only two keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of boutique, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I will take this text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. That is, hi there, welcome to Stylora Boutique. Please choose an option to get started. Now I am adding two quick buttons here. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as shop now. After that, I am adding one more button, contact us. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here my trigger box is connected to my message. Now let's assume my users will click on this shop now button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. You can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the body in this enter body box. That is awesome. Please select what you'd like to explore today. Now I want to add the dress category list. For that, I am clicking on this H section button where I am going to write the section title as category. After that, I want to add the list of types of category. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am going to add only 2 types of categories, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, the one is the traditional wear and the second one is the western wear. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of shop now to this message. message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will select the dress category type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as category type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is traditional wear, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this category. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before that, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of category type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field node. Here I am going to set one more contact custom field node for this category type also. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is the category type, but only change the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the category type, then my bot will provide them the list of dresses on each of the category. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and select button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my message in this enter message box. That is, here are the dresses for the selected category. Now I am going to add the image of dresses. For that, I am clicking on this add content button where I am going to select the content type as media. After that, I am going to select the media type as image because I want to add the image of dresses. Now I am going to upload the image of first dress from my gallery by clicking on this. See, the dress image is added successfully. Now I am going to write the name of this dress and the price in this enter caption box. Here I added. After that, I want to add one button by the name of order now, so that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my button as order now. After that, I am going to add one more dress by doing the same process that I have done here. See, here I added. After that, I am connecting this traditional wear contact custom field circle to this message. Now I am going to do the same for this category type also. That is, I am also adding some western dresses here. See, here I have done. After that, I am connecting this category type circle, that is the western wear, to this specific western wear box that I have created here. Now when my user will select the dress, then my bot will ask them to select the dress size. For that, I am again taking one list button, drag this box here, and I am going to do the same that I have done here in this list box. See, here I added where in this enter body box I write that select size. After that, the section title I provide a size. Then in each of these enter title box I write all the types of sizes, that is S, M, L, XL and XXL. After that, I am connecting all these four circles to this message because whenever my user will click on this order now button, then at first my bot will ask them to select the dress size. See, here it is connected. Now when my user will select the dress size, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am again going to do the same that I have done here. Means I am going to add 5 contact custom field nodes here for each of these sizes. Here I have done. In this also you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is the size, but I only change the value. Now whenever my user will select the dress size, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here. Here I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot as a test example. You can also make the changes in it completely based on your choice. Now I am going to write the question in this enter message box. That is, please share your full name, because at first I want my user's name. For that I am going to select the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text, then the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 5 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their address and their contact number. For that I am going to do the same that I have done here. That means I am going to add 2 more questions. Here I added, where in this question box I ask my user to share their address. For that I have selected the contact custom field as address and the format I select as any. And in this question box I ask my user to share their contact number. For that I have selected the contact custom field as contact number, then the format I select as number, and here I also write the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes, that is 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. You can also use these default values for the number format. After that I am connecting all these questions to each other. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their full name, address and their contact number, then at last my bot will send them one customized message which includes their name, address, contact numbers, selected dress category and the size. For that I am clicking on this messages option and select the button as text button. Drag this box here. I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. That is, your order has been placed successfully. Here are your details: name with $symbol, full name, address, contact number, category type and the size. You can see I use the $symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will automatically capture my user's response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all of these contact custom fields. Now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the contact us. If my users wants the contact details of my boutique, then they will click on this contact us button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my boutique contact details in this enter message box. Here I write, now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate fashion boutique orders on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any issues or having any questions while creating this flow, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will respond to your customers in real time like this. It completely automates the order placement process of your boutique without requiring any manual efforts from you. And all of this is possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.